This is the Vivitar microSD and SD card reader. Pretty cool little package. Comes in black. I think it comes in silver too. Here's the microSD, microUSB input, where you plug it in. This is the USB input. So it's just a cap that comes off the end. So I'm going to throw that down. Now here's a here's an SD card. This is actually an SD adapter. You could put the SD adapter in the top like that. And it goes in the one way. There's the slot right there, like that. Or you could take the micro SD on the bottom here. You have a slot there, right there, and it shows you which way to put it in, which is this way, just like so. So you see that? Goes right in that slot like that. And then this goes into your USB drive. And then see the little light flashes on top? There's that little light flashing. That means that it's reading it. Light's on. And then you can go to your computer and open up your file manager. USB drive, drive D. DCM, then I can start downloading pictures if I want. Alright, so that's that. Very simple, very easy to use, very cheap. I've seen them online for about 15 bucks. I don't even think I spent that much on this. So there's your Vivitar card reader piece of cake. Have a good day.